The square root of 490 is approximately which one of these? Well, we need to look at what these numbers are saying here to us. So we have 2.2 times 10, which we know 10 is 10 to the first power. And we move one place to the right. Since it's a positive power of 10, we move to the right. And so this is actually 22. So A is the same thing as 22. What about B? We move one place to the right as well. So that's 25. What about C? Since it's times 10 to the first power, move one place to the right. So this is 70. And D, since it's a negative power we're multiplying by, we move to the left instead. So that's actually 1.45. Now, which one of these numbers, when we square them, we get 490? Such that when we square 490, we get one of these, or close to one of these, I should say. All right, let's start with C. 70 squared, which means 70 times 70, is equal to 49 with 2 zeros at the end. So let's 7 times 7 is 49 and put the zeros at the end. So the square root of 4,900 or 4,900 is 70. So definitely square root of 490 would definitely not be 70. So that's out. Now you can't say it's going to be 7. Alright? Because 7 7 is 49. So that's still off. What about D? 1.45. Even if we carry 1.45 up to, let's say, 2, we know 2 times 2, or 2 squared is 4. So the square root of 4 is 2. That's definitely too little bit. And we know that 25 squared, we should know that by heart, is 625. Right? Always know this, that square root of 25 is 625. That is way too much. So the only option we have remaining is A, 22 squared. Let's double check that, shall we? And so we have 22 squared, which means 22 times 22. 2 2s, that give us 4. 2 2s, that give us 4. 2 2s, then we're in the 10th place. 2 2s give 4, so we're going to start in the 10th place. And 2 2s, 4. That's going to be 4, 8, 4. 484. And so we don't have any decimal places here in these numbers, so our answer stays as 484. So the square root of 484 is 22. So the square root of a number that's very close to 484, just 6 more added on to 484 give us 490, will be approximately 22. So A is our answer.